Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We've made our way down to CAIRNS. So found out there's a pretty cool cars and coffee on, so wandered on down, come for a look. So hope you guys are enjoying the content. Don't forget, if you haven't already, like and subscribe and share your favourite video around. Cheers guys, we'll get into it. So it looks like a pretty good mix of cars. So have a squiz around, see what we can see. Oh, she's bright out there. Plenty of people enjoying the day. It's about 20 past 8. I think it started at 7, goes till 9, so I was going to get up super early at Springmount and just didn't quite happen. Anyone who knows me knows that The only reason to get up early in the morning, well, I reckon the only reason to see a morning is because you've been up all night, to be honest. Couple nice hard tops. Mate, how are you?
Yeah, good mate.
Oh, a few mint HRs leaving. No good up there being there today.
Why is that?
Not much happening. Yeah, Friday and Saturday, mate.
Oh,
Sunday.
there you go. So you've been up there then?
Yeah, I'm up there filming.
Yeah, nice.
This weekend as well, so coming up. So I ran into a few people and got chatting. And yeah, missed a few cars leaving, but these things happen on these big jobs. That's what happens when I sleep in and rock up to events a little later than I probably should, but oh well, we get the idea of these things. Little Jemmy coupe. I love a little Jemmy coupe. Oh look, here's one for you, Diggles.
Oh, you didn't have a bad turn up yesterday?
It was alright, yeah.
I thought I was coming over and we come to the Athens, American Athens.
Yeah, right.
I went to ride my mountain bike in the morning.
So there we go, guys. That is CAIRNS Car Community. CAIRNS Cars and Coffee. So get on, join their Facebook page if you're up this way, and check them out. Not a bad way to spend a little Sunday morning. So yeah, as I said, I kept getting sidetracked, chatting to a few people. A mate of mine from like probably known for nearly 30 years, lives up this way, so I ran into him. So catch up with a few other people, having a chat. It was good. Not bad at all. Anyway, we'll keep going, see what else we can find up north. Might get a coffee as well. Shout out to all the sponsors. Thank you so much. Don't forget, guys, support the people who are supporting me. These guys and their help allow me to get to more events and get you the footage you enjoy watching. So if you're looking for a service that they provide, hit them up. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've made it this far, and share your favourite video around to your mates. Much appreciated, guys. Also have merch available. Link in the description. $50 a shirt, $10 postage. We'll see you on the next one.